Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here, and I'm back with another video. I am popping into Poundland quickly, and I'll just take you guys along with me to see what they've got in there new. I really just want one thing in Poundland, but I'll show you guys what they've got. I think they have some stuff for Easter and for Mother's Day. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, a big welcome to you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all very much. I love and appreciate you. Thank you guys for stopping in with me today, and I am going to show you what they've got in Poundland. I am happy the kids are back in school. UK lockdown has been lifted a little bit, so I am happy the kids are in school. I'm getting that well-deserved and well-needed break, and I'm just enjoying myself. So I'll take you guys along to Poundland quickly, and yeah, so catch you guys in a bit. This is what they have for Easter. So for the kids to have some fun. So they've got a whole Easter section here. have their Mother's Day section. Okay guys, they've got some cute bits in Poundland, and yeah, just show you a few of what they've got that people might want to see and might be interested in. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I am heading home now. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and also guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam if you are not already a part of my family. I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys very much for watching, and as usual, have a lovely day and be blessed.